Hello, this is Chris, your warranty claim assistant from Warranty Valet. In this guide, I will walk you through the steps to claim the Oakley warranty. Subscribe to Warranty Valet for more helpful guides on warranty claims and tips. First things first, make sure to follow the 3 straightforward instructions outlined on our website to effectively submit your warranty claim for Oakley products. The initial step guides you through product registration, while subsequent steps detail the product return process. And hey, don't forget to check out the contact details, including email, phone number, and physical office address. At the bottom of Oakley's official website, www.oakley.com, you'll find various contact options, including live chat, email, and a phone number. Oh, and heads up, the phone line is open Monday through Friday, from 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. EST. If you prefer, you can also create a service request through this link, customersupport.luxottica.com/wcsstore/Oakley, after creating an account. Now, let's get to the good stuff. During the warranty claim process, you'll need to provide some key information: customized product details, prescription lens info, purchase date, place of purchase, and, if you have it handy, the sales receipt, though that's optional. Also, include a photo of the defective part, and don't forget to snap a shot of the product code on the internal temple of your sunglasses. Once your claim is approved, you're in the clear. Your replacement will be on its way to you within a few days after you return your defective sunglasses. Before I sign off, remember that if you ever run into any bumps or have questions about the warranty process, you can always reach out to us through the Warranty Valet website. We've helped tons of customers before, and we're here to help you too.